Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add grip to your phone or phone case. The large size of the phone, a very thin body and slippery materials don't make using a modern phone very comfortable. If your phone slips out of your hands, you risk breaking it. I think it's worth taking care that the phone sits well in your hand and does not tend to slip out. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to add more grip to your phone. The easiest way not to lose control over your device is to buy a suitable phone case. While it protects the cover from scratches and impacts, it will also provide more grip. If you are always dropping your phone, it is worth looking for a textured case from non-slippery materials such as rubber. The presence of protrusions or depressions on the sides of the case also contributes to the additional fixation of the phone in your hand, providing additional support for your fingers. Sticky grip stripes. The fact that these are designed to be used on the steps, stairs, or balconies does not mean you cannot stick them to your phone. Stripes are made of rubber and adhere firmly to any flat, clean surface. Also, the tape can be rough, like sandpaper. The anti-slip effect is achieved by an abrasive coating. A surface that is too rough can be unpleasant to the touch, so it's a good idea to use tape with a fine grain. To use them, follow these steps. Choose the places you want to apply additional grip to, typically edges. Use scissors to cut desired shapes from the stripes. Degrease the surface of the phone or case with an alcohol wipe. Remove the protective film. Align the stripe parts and stick them on. Let them adhere well for some 30 minutes at an average temperature. If the tape does not have an adhesive backing, use double-sided tape as an attachment. They will work on both smartphone finish and cover. There are some materials that they stick worse to, such as silicone. PopSocket. Finally, you can use a PopSocket to add grip to your phone. The PopSocket allows you to hold your phone tighter with an extra point of support. Stores sell PopSockets for all tastes, but you have to remember that silicone and some other cases are very difficult to attach a PopSocket. How to attach a PopSocket to the phone I showed in the previous video. Please write in the comments which method you use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you later.